Whole paper one or everything?
You
Paper
only
one.
give me paper one.
Why is it? Okay, so we run through. Let's see how you go. Okay, you can see the screen, right? So let us see now. I will check the phone. So. All right, the first one you see is 0.04. Well done. The next one is 12300. I think you are missing a zero. Since 123,456, yours is 12,300. You can spot the mistake? Can, huh? So it's supposed to be 1230000. There's additional zero there. Then let me see. What is it? So this is 1, 2, okay. So 20, you do number 2, yes, or 11 of 40, yeah. Okay, this is correct. Ratio of 250 to 5. Okay, so it's 1 to 20. Okay, all right. Or 20, yeah, 1 to 20, yeah. So don't use the gram, okay. Your final answer should be without the G, okay. But it's good, okay. It's good. It's one like that, huh? Once you have no sign, no unit, it means that you can put any unit. And it can be 1 kg to 20 kg, 1 gram to 20 gram. It doesn't matter. Okay, your next one. Let me see now. You remove the 3. This one, I think there's some careless error here. Can you just check again? What do they have in common? They have the 3, but they also have the Y, you know. Miss, can you try what you think is the answer?
3y bracket x minus y.
X minus 2y. Correct, eh? Correct, eh? Okay. So your x minus 2y is correct. You just forgot the y on the outside. The next one, you got everything correct. Emma, I look at the paper, is correct, but you did a transfer error. Can you spot the transfer error? I'm looking at what you sent lah.
X plus 2.
Yeah, okay, careful, huh? Because you know how to do it. Well done. Okay, so now move on to the next one. Okay, this one now. So not sure. So let me just clear the screen first. Now imagine now you're not supposed to use calculator. What number is easy for you? A whole number for this one?
2.
Huh? 2. Okay, we put 2 like that. And then what number can you square root it without the use of a calculator? That's near to 63.63.
64.
64. Good. And what other square root of a number that is close to 25.21?
26.
26. What is the square root of 26? 25 lah. 25. Okay, then you can minus 4.1 or minus 4, up to you. So this one you can do right now without calculator. You try it without calculator.
How do I do square root 25?
5, 5 times 5, 25. That is all on the screen now.
Thirty-two over 5.
But remember, this is, oh, 5 minus 4 is 1, you know. If 5 minus 4, sorry, 5 minus 4 is 1. There's a 4 down here. Square root of 25 is 5 minus 4. You get 1, right? So 32 over 1 is equals to 32. Are we okay? Okay, yeah. Is it tough or not? Is it tough? No, right? You can do this. You just need to believe. Just, you know, don't be afraid lah. Don't be afraid. Now the next one, let me just see. What you wrote? Answer is 158. Okay,
156.
156. Your answer is 156. Value of x 156. Because you feel that all of them must be 156. Okay, let's try now. Can you take 156 times 9? What's your answer?
One four zero four.
1404. 1404. Okay, Emma. We can, you have a square, quadrilateral or something like that, and then we can actually find the total number of interior angle by dividing it into triangle. So this is 180 here, 180. So a quadrilateral, a four-sided figure will have 360 degrees. You can do the same here now. You can divide this into one triangle here, two triangle here. Okay, maybe two triangles here lah. We can split it up like that. Can you see that? How many triangles do we get? Down here now, this is a 4. Can you see how many triangles I'm dividing it into? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now there is a formula. If you remember this formula, you want to find the sum of internal angles. You take n minus 2 times by 180. This is, what is n? N is the number of sides. You have 1, 2, 3, 9 sides, right? So when you minus 9 minus 2, you get 7. 7 times 180. Do you know what they're doing? They're actually counting the number of triangles. There's 1 triangle, 2 triangle, 3 triangle, 4, 5, 6, 7 triangles. Huh? See, they cut this down. There was 1, 2 triangles. So the formula, if you know the number of sides, you just minus 2, you get 7. There will be 7 triangles in here. What's your total sum of your internal angles? Is 7 times 180. What is the answer? 7 times 180?
1260.
So this is not the same. This one is inaccurate. So now how to do? Well, here we go. You know that the total sum now is 1260. One of them is 156. The rest we do not know. There's 8 more angles, but they are all the same. Take 1260 minus 156. Answer divide by 8. Are you okay?
One 138.
138. Do you understand? Okay, now I'm going to give you now this question now. Okay, we're going to try this question now. How come cannot? How to shift this multi? Hold on. Can you see the screen now? Okay, there's a polygon. Let's see like that. Oh, yo, sorry. Bad drawing. We try again, huh? Okay, what's the sum of the internal angle here without cutting it into triangle? Can you find out? Step one is to count the sides. Okay, how many sides are there?
7.
Wow,
900.
900 congruent. So you are very clear? Okay, that's great. We get back to easy as Anna. All right. Are you going to be tested on this?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, you have done it. Just hold on. Okay, let's see. Okay, A you say is 11. Well done. Answer is correct. B, you say the answer is 6. So what did I ask you? Mode, no. What's the mode?
6.
Why 56? Well, there's 333 there. 53, there's 3, 56 only. Are you sure 50? This is, hold on. This is 56. This is 66. That means, Emma, you must know how to read the weight of the people. There are 11 persons here. Can you tell me what their weights? Can you give me all their weights? The lightest person is?
47.
The heaviest person is?
70.
The 2, 6 there, is it the same weight? One, can you give me the 2 different weights with 6?
56 and 66.
So mode means the highest frequency. What's the answer?
66.
66? Why you say 66? There's only one person, 66, only one person. One person is 47, one person is 48, another person 53, another person 53, another person 53, another one 56, another one 59, another one 62, another one 65, another one 66, another one 70. What is your mode?
70.
Again?
70.
70. Okay, what's the meaning of mode? Highest number occurring.
Oh, 53.
53. You forgot what's mode now. Okay, mean, what's the formula? What is mean? I'm not talking about mean person lah. Mean, what's the meaning of mean in primary maths?
Average.
What's the meaning of mode?
Highest occurrence.
Highest occurrence. What's the mathematical word for occurrence?
Frequency.
Frequency. How frequent lah? How many times you frequent? And what is median? Median is what?
The middle.
The value of the middle person. Okay, the value of middle person. It's not just a middle person. Let's say middle person, let's say his name is Susan, her name is Susan. But what's the weight of Susan? Or what's the height of Susan? What's the value of Susan? You know what I mean? Okay, so your next one, let me just check. You say your median is, hold on, what happened to my phone? Median is 632. Is it true? Oh, divide 57.5. Okay. Now you are finding what? You are finding mean. You are finding average, right? Now you tell me now, how many persons are there? Altogether, how many persons? You know what? The 6%. Correct? What's the value of 6%?
56.
56. Okay, yes. Do you understand? You must remember. I think you understand, but you forgot. Correct? Is it true? Yes, right? Okay. So we got to just revise again. All right, the next one now. Hold on. Okay, just a moment. Let us see. Number 7. Your answer is correct. Actually, you don't need to expand, miss. Remember the pattern? 1 plus 1 minus x, 3y, 3y is the same thing. Just square this and square this, but this one become minus. We have to test. We have to test, Emma. Emma. Yeah, ready, Emma? This is a good test like that. Emma, can you expand this and give us the answer in a simplified form?
Triangle, square.
Mm-hmm. Don't times, just give me the answer.
Minus.
The last minus.
Square, square.
Yes, like that. Finish. How come you're so scared to say this? Believe. Be sure. Okay. So you're okay, right? Go back. So what's your next one now? The next one you say is 5x minus 8. Well done. Okay. So this one now. The congruent thing you say is TURS. So TURS. Now let us I'm sorry.
RSTU.
RSTU. Yes, that's the correct answer. You must write it is correct arrangement. Huh? Okay. Oh, you 10 cm for the thing and 100 and how do you get 110? The next one 110. I cannot see the. Is it 110? 110 for y. How you get 110 for y? Oh, this y is equal to 110. Let us hear what Emma said this now. Emma said RSTU. Okay, I'm gonna write R at A at R, right? S at B at S, C you say TU, right? RSTU, right? So this is C. D is C this lah. So Y is angle A, you know, here, according to what you say. You know what's the point I'm trying to make, right? So you know how to do? Can calculate? I'm doing so. Okay.
136.
What's the total sum of angles here?
360.
Good. Okay, you try 360 minus 78 minus 42 minus 110. Are you sure you get 136? Please try again.
130.
130. So be careful. I do not know what happened, but you got to make sure that doesn't happen during exam lah. Okay. Remember, do it right always. Wow. Okay. Even the maths department have a slogan. Huh? Okay, let us see now. Hold on. Let me just check. Huh?
I don't know how to do A.
Okay, no problem. Okay. A, okay, we come to A in a moment. B, your answer is A over 2A minus 2. Okay, come. We do step by step. Now, first of all, if I have this like that, like this, what is your answer? Do you know how to do? A, because this is actually A times A over A. So when it says 2, I can cancel this 1, disappear, I'm left with A. So down here now you can see it. It's like, I'm going to write it like that so that you can have no you don't feel blur lah, this one. You can cancel like that. For now, you write it like that. And then you see whether do you know how to do or not. You know how to do now? And then you tell me what's your answer. Remember, 12 can divide by 4. 12 can divide by 6.
A over 2bx.
2bx or b squared x?
Of b square x.
Don't make a mistake on b plus b. This is b times b squared. Okay, well done. And let's look at the next one. The next one, let me look at your answer. Hold on. Okay, I clear the screen. So now we write it down. 2a minus 2b over a. This divide, right? So we change to times. A squared 4a minus 4b. Now we can still factorize or simplify this. Both of them have what in common? This one.
A and b.
Not A and B, 2 lah. A minus B. You can see na? 2 times A, 2A, 2 times B, minus 2B over A here. Times A squared. Now both of them have 4 in common. I remove the 4. A minus B. Now watch carefully. I can now cancel A minus B. A minus B. You can see now. 2 I can divide by 2, I get 1. 4 I divide by 2, I get 2. This A now, I cancel A, I left 1. I cancel A squared, I left with A. So the final answer is A over 2. Are you okay? You get it? So you need to simplify. Sometimes when you simplify, you can cancel. But you cannot do like this. Let's say now 3A minus 2B. Example, over 2B. You cannot cancel like that. Cannot. This is being multiplied to something. This is one number, same number, its own same number is being multiplied. If it's plus down here, I cannot cancel. But this is not plus, this is being multiplied. Are we okay? Yes, sir. Okay. Okay, let's see how Imada has done. And A. Okay, can you try? Okay, let me see. Okay, this one, I'm worried. No, I'm worried. 42 divided by 2 is what? I'm worried. Is it dyslexia? You know this? You know what's dyslexia? They see the B as the D, the 12 become 21. No, right? Cannot be. It cannot be. This is called a transfer error. Be careful, because you know how to do already. Okay, the next one now. 10. So the answer is 21, for that one. B, 10B. The answer is yours got no answer.
7.
Oh, 7. Yeah, sorry. 7, yeah, correct. Okay. Sorry. Well done. And then the answer for the next one is 4. Congratulations. Your algebra has gotten better. I think, Emma, you make a good maths teacher. Emma, don't talk to me about that. Okay, sorry, Ma. I'm just suggesting only. Okay. Because our Muslim community need maths teachers to help them. Okay, anyway, let's see now this one. Number 11. Okay, 11A, your answer is 100. Well done. 11B, 65 and 77. Congratulations. Okay, then we go to the next one down here. Your coordinates, -3, -2. Well done. B, not sure. Okay, so they want to know the equation RS. Okay, I will just, you tell me now, what value on this line never change? What does not?
-2.
What?
-2.
What -2? What value is that? Y or X? X, yes, because this is the x-axis one. Then they tell you this is the x-axis out here. So we should call this x minus 2 lah. This is called x minus 2. This line here is x minus 2. I'm going to draw another line. Here, x equals to minus 2. Why am I saying x minus 2? X equals to minus 2. You understand this one? Yes, huh? Now, Emma, I'm going to draw another line out here. What is the equation of this red line?
Y equals 3.
Yes, well done. Well done. Y equals 3. Okay. So let's see what gradient, 2/3. Good. Well done. Rise, run. Is it rise and run? Wow, your teacher taught you that.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. So is the gradient positive? Yes.
Mm,
Is he man going up the hill or coming down the hill?
Going up.
So it's positive. Well, rolling down is negative. What is the formula for your answer is correct. 2/3 is correct. What's your formula for gradient? Do you remember? Y2 minus 1 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Do you know that? Remember that?
Not really.
Not really. Okay, not really. But I'm just worried sometimes they tell you this, question like this. Okay, let's see now. Hold on, okay. You can see, find this one I'm giving you now the equation of a line. Okay, equation of line. Of the graph lah, of graph. Where it cuts the y-axis. Can see now. Maybe I use this one. Sorry, sir. I think I use another. Hold on. Okay. Yeah. Find the equation of a line which cuts the y-axis at 3. It's y-axis, and then they tell you the and with points A, and they give you the coordinates. Let's say A is A is minus 2, 4, and B 2. Hold on, just more. Hold on, Emma. 2, 2. So how are you going to do this question? Do you know how to do the question? You must find, remember the formula y equals to mx plus c? Remember? So I remember a long time ago. Why? Okay, hold on. Just write down this thing. Why? Why lah? Why? Okay. Y cannot write. Okay. You remember y equals to mx plus c? Now, what is the c? What is the c?
The
Y-intercept. So the c is how many? According to this question. There can see now. So the c is, you saw this now, I don't, you saw now what I wrote? What?
3.
3, yeah? So now that means you can't see it. You cannot see, yeah? Okay, find the equation of a line which cuts the y-axis at 3. So I will have to use another. I say, why can't I show you the whiteboard? I do not know what happened. Okay. I will read it out to you lah. Okay. Okay. There's now it cuts the y-axis at 3. So now down here, when you write y equals to m is actually the gradient. Down here you can write plus 3 already. Okay. And then I give you 2 points. Points A is minus 2. 4. Points B is 2, 2, remember? So you must find the gradient from this. In order to do that, use this formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So which one is y2, y1? Okay, let's say this one 0.1 lah. This one 0.2. So this is y2 because you know how to read, right? y2. This one is x2. This one is x1, y1. Then you substitute a value. Can you try to substitute a value? See what gradient do you get?
Two.
2. Are you sure? Do you take now? Okay, you follow up. Y2 is 2 minus y1 is 4. This y1 no. You do that? X2 is 2 minus x1. X1 is minus 2. So you get 2 minus 4 is minus 2. 2 minus minus 2, 2 plus 2 becomes 4. Equals to minus half. How? You get it? Are you confused?
I'm confused with the take the x2.
X2, okay. First of all, the coordinates have x and y. All right? So this is x, this is y. So up to you to choose. You want this to be 0.2, this is y2, x2. You want this to be 1, y1, x1. And then you put in the value. Y2 is 2, I put it here. Y1 is 4, I put it here. X2 is 2, I put it here. X1 is minus 2, I put it here. Are we okay? Later we'll try again. So now if you know the gradient is minus half, that means your equation is y equals to minus half x plus 3. This is your equation. Are you okay? You know how to get the gradient? 2 ways. Number one, you have a graphical, I think you can draw rise versus run or something like that. But if you don't have that, you can use this. Now I'm just going to show you the graph that we are actually using. This one down here. So now we watch carefully. Down here, we watch carefully. Okay, now down here, there's now I gave you 2 points. Which are the 2 points? One is minus 2, 4 down here. I gave you another one, 2, 2. Remember down here. And then we can draw a line from here to here. We wanted to find out what's the equation of this line. Notice as you increase x by 1, you only go down by half. Y goes down by half. From 4 to 3.5. You increase to another one, it goes down by half. So that's why the gradient is negative because it's going down and it's only half. If you take vertical rise divide by run, this is 1 divided by 2. Can you see not? That's why it's half. 1 divided by 2, you must know whether it's negative or not. The thing is going down. The ball, let's say now you have a ball on here, is rolling down. Okay, the ball on here is rolling down. Right? So it's negative. Are you okay? You know how to do? You sure? Okay, we test you now. Can do, you must show me by 2 ways lah, by 2 ways. Okay, this is 0.1. Okay, we make it. Sorry, we try again. This is 0.1. Okay. And hold on. This is 0.2. You can see. Again, one more time. This is 0.2. Ayo, one more time. This is 0.2. Can see? You know the coordinates? You can use your rise versus run, but I want the formula of the equation. What equation? From where to where? From here to here. This line. Can you tell me what's the equation, please? Y equals to mx plus c. You can do this. You can do this. Come on.
Minus 3/2.
Minus 3/2. Let's see. Your gradient, is it? So you're saying y equals to minus 3/2x. And then c is how many c? Because the y exists at the green line. 3, so plus 3. Let us see whether you're right. Now I'm going to use your method. Rise is 2. Run is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Y equals to positive x because going uphill. 1x, which is x plus 3. This is the equation. But you say, hey, but I use a formula. Oh, am I use a formula? Which one is 1? This one or this one? Just now you did calculation, so you use a formula, right? Did you use this or use this? Or you didn't use? Okay, let's say I take this one as 1, this one as 2. What is the coordinates? I write it down here. X is 2, minus 2. Y is 1. 0.2 now. X is 1. Y is 4. Formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Y2, this is 2, right? Y2 is 4 minus y1. Y1 is 1 over x2. X2 is 1 minus x1 minus 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. 1 minus minus become plus. 2, 3. 3 divided by 3 get 1. So your gradient is 1x. Are we okay? Okay, but never mind. If you feel more safe using the method I showed you, the rise or run, good, but just need to know positive or negative. This is positive. My worry is they don't give you a graph. So how you going to do? You need to use this, or you need to chart it. Okay, never mind. We move on. We move on first, okay, and then we see how it goes. So we have the gradient already. This one, your gradient is correct. Have you done this one? No, paper 2, no. Okay, so we try paper 2. Can you try this one? Why is this a right angle? Why is this a right angle? Angle triangle. where BAC is 90 degrees. How do you know this? They're asking you to prove. You know how to prove? You can use that 2,000-year-old guy. Come on, come on. You know the 2,000-year-old guy, very old man. A squared, B squared, C squared. Remember na? Pythagoras. Can you use Pythagoras and find out? Is it true?
Yes.
You are saying 12 squared plus 16 squared is the same answer as 20 squared. Okay, then proven. So that's what they are. So if they ask you, explain why triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Well, AB squared plus AC squared equals to BC squared. Therefore, proven right angle. What's the area of triangle ABC? You can find out. Area of triangle ABC. Very easy, very easy.
$96.
Well done. Easy, yeah? Easy. This one now. You remember this? Are you tested on this one? Remember that, okay, in case you forget, just revise a little bit. Direct proportion is like that. Inverse proportion is like that. Okay? Are we okay? You're looking blankly at it. Okay. Now, we change this to F lah. We change this to G or G squared. But they say inversely proportional. So are you going to use A here or B? Which one are you going to use? Formula A or formula B? A is direct proportion. This is inverse. B. You know what's inverse proportion? Give me an example of inverse proportion. Give me an example. Give me an example of direct proportion. Let's say now you work more hours, you get more money. More hours you work, you get more money. Okay, let's say now the more people, that's direct proportion. The other one now, more people to paint the house. Time taken to complete painting, does it increase or decrease? More people, you will go down, right? Decrease. That's inverse now. The more and more and more you get, the faster and faster and faster you can lower and lower. That's inverse proportion. So first of all, I want you to write the equation for this. Can you tell me what's the equation for this using F and G? Okay. F equals to
A over G.
square. Okay. Now you find out what's K. Go and substitute in, find out what's K. What's your value for K?
40.
40. Okay, now you write what's the formula now? F equals to
40 over G squared.
this is the answer for question number A. Are you clear? Can you try now? Find what is F is G is 4. Substitute the value. Just hold on, I'll go and plug my phone for a while. Yeah, plug my laptop to the power socket. Just hold on. Okay, have you gotten the answer? What is F?
10.
10. Okay, let's try. Yeah. F equals to 40 over G. G, you put 4, right? But do you forget the square?
2.5.
Okay, 2.5 is the correct answer. Easy, no? Easy. Ah, this one. Your favorite, Emma. You like this, Emma? Try ABC.
R equals 500,000.
Okay, let's see, yeah. Let's see, yeah. 2
Wait, no.
cm.
100,000.
Okay, let's see, yeah. No. How?
Yeah. Oh. 250,000.
Well done. Okay, careful, Emma. You are clear, right, Emma? Okay, try B then. Try B. You can use this one. You can just change this like that, lah. And then you can find out. You can you can form like that. You don't need to use the 250,000. That's the answer for. You can use this one. You know what? Up to you.
950,000.
Wow, I want in km. They want in km. You are giving your answer in cm. Imagine the school makes announcement for this year's cross country will be running 250,000 cm. Alamak, really lah. Hey, maths teacher, we want you to convert. Aduh.
9.5 km.
Well done. Then you need to do the area scale. Remember now? Like that. Do you remember? You have to do the scale there. Then you can do C.
Five km.
Sorry again. What's the answer?
5 km square.
5 km square. Oh, because this one, you take like that 2 cm, 5 km. And then Emma says, now I just put square, it becomes square. Is it true? Yeah, Emma, do that? Cannot. Emma, you must remember, you must create a new scale for this. Now how? Square this
20.
and square this. What do you get? 1 is to
25.
25, yeah. 2.5 times 2.5, what do you get? 120. How come you get 25?
6.25.
Ah, now it's correct. Now you use this scale now. So 2 cm will be how much?
12.5.
Yeah, well done. Are you okay? Is it coming back to you? What is coming back to you? Understanding, yes, right? Remember, right? You did it, no? You did it before. Okay, now we try question number 4. This one, are you doing probability? No, right? Did I go through probability with you?
Only the first part.
There's a second part. Okay, can we try that one? Okay. So what's the probability of a student selected being taller than 1.7 cm meters, 1.170 cm?
I don't remember how to do.
Okay, no problem. It's just fraction only. First of all, if someone says the probability is 0, what does it mean? Okay, now for example, at home now, let's say is only you and your mother. What's the probability of the person at home being a female? 100%, correct? So that is 1. So I say, what's the probability of the person at home being a male? 0. Not possible means 0. Surely what happened means 1. So remember, I asked you, now I'm going to pluck the hair off your head. You have 10,000 strands. What's the probability of it being white hair?
0.
0, because you say you got no hair, you got brown hair. Right? I say black hair also 0. I do not know, but you know what I'm saying, right? Okay, let's say brown hair, you say 1. So that's the first thing you got to remember. Then now, let us look. There are 24 boys. 8 of them are taller than 170. So 8 out of 24, which is equals to 1 out of 3. So there is a 1/3 possibility of, if you just pick any student to be, and the student is taller than 170 cm, is a 1/3 possibility. So now you tell me now, what's the probability of the student being shorter than or equal to 170? Give a fraction, it must be a fraction.
2/3.
Good. C, what's the possibility of selecting a girl for this basketball team?
0.
Good. And at D, 2 boys of height 178 and 175 did decide to join the basketball team. If a boy is selected at random on that day, find the new probability of selecting a boy that is taller than 170.
5/13.
13 or, yeah, well done. Well done. So you got it already. Emma, you got it again. But you might forget it again. So that's why we record this, so that you can watch it if you want to. Yeah, I don't want to watch, that's so boring. I'd rather watch a show now. What show are you watching now on Netflix?
It's the anime.
Oh, anime, okay. All right, we try this one now. Question 5. You write the equation and then reduce it to that.
3x plus 2y equals 9.
Okay, what was your first equation?
6x plus 4y equals 18.
Why B?
5x plus 4y equals 16.
Now solve the simultaneous equation. Do you remember what simultaneous equation? Now, once you get your answer for X and Y, tell me, okay?
I don't remember my method.
Okay, no problem, no problem. So can we can do this together. Let me just write it down. So the first one is X, 3X plus 2Y, right? Equals to 9. What's the second equation?
5x plus 4y equals 16.
This is given, is it? The second one is given. Huh? So now what you can do is you can make the y the same by multiplying it by 2. Let's say now I times this by 2. So what do we get? I times the whole thing by 2. I get 6x plus 4y equals to 18, which is the original one. Right? So I call this equation 1. Equation 2 is 5x plus 4y equals to 16. Remember, our objective is to get rid of one of the letters, which is what? Either x or y. So I take equation 1 minus equation 2. So when you get 18 minus 16, you get 2. 4 minus 4y minus 4y, no more y. 6x minus 5x is 1x, x equals to 2. Next one, substitute. X equals to 2. into, you want to put it here or here, up to you. You want to find what? Y now. Doesn't matter lah. Let's say we put it inside number 2 lah. Okay. So 5x, we put 2 like that, plus 4y equals to 16. This one you get 5 times 2, 10, right? You bring over, becomes minus 10. 16 minus 10. 4y equals to 16 minus 10. 4y equals to 6, right?
Y equals 1.5.
1.5. Is that correct? Yeah. So this is one method. You want to know the Emma's method? Emma's method. Emma's method something like this also. But Emma will, last time she will bring this to that side. 4y equals to 18 minus 6x. 4y equals to 16 minus 5x. Then 4y equals to this one equals to this, so these two are equal. So 18 minus 6x is equals to 16 minus 5x. You know what I mean? And that's Emma's method. How can you forget Emma's method? You are the person who created it. Okay, so down here now x equals to 2, y equals 1.5. So now let's answer what the question is saying. Find the value of 1 kg of flour. 1 kg of flour is x, right? Is 2, I think $2, right? X is 150. Are we okay? All right. Remember this? Can we try this? You remember the formula, right? 1/3. Must memorize. You know, I just want to show you this. Emma, you just look at this. Your school will give it like this, all the curve, all the curve.
I don't think so.
They're so good. They give you everything. If not, you got to memorize this. You have this paper, right? You go memorize all of this stuff. Words come to us. I'm not telling you to do this. Write it in your palm. Don't do that, lah. Don't do that. You watch Spider-Man. You have the power of the sun on the palm of my hand. Have you heard? No. With great responsibility comes, or with great power comes. I think you're not a Spider-Man fan. Okay, so we try this one now. You can refer to, you printed out the paper, is it?
No.
Okay, you can ask me now, what you want? You want area. Area of cone or pyramid is 1/3 the area of the cuboid. What's cuboid? Base area times height. 10? But they already give you the volume, no? They want you to find the height. So you must write down the formula. 1/3 times A. A is area times height. Base area times height is equals to volume. So you substitute in, find out. There's also another method, you know. You don't need to use this method. You can use Pythagoras theorem. Up to you. You did. What's your answer?
I don't know if it's correct.
Correct. Believe in yourself, lah. Believe in yourself. Come on.
8.
8. Correct. Well done. Don't be so surprised. Be happy and be confident. Okay. So now you can find the total surface area of the map. You know what's the total surface area? It's skin. Right?
384.
Congratulations, 384 is correct. Well done. So no problem, right? Okay, now the next one. Hold on, now you have section B. Jam 7 sudah. Okay, we cannot do this one. 7. We can't do it because it's drawing. So you try now. Draw a dot diagram. Oh, a lot of practical. You know how to draw a dot diagram, right? No, I'm not asking you to draw, but okay, you draw. Then you find out what's B. Can you know how to draw this one?
Yes.
You try just to draw, and then you see whether you can answer B. Once you finish your drawing, can you show me your drawing?
Okay.
Just for me to see lah, so that I but never mind. You just try all this first.
For I is 8.
8. Median score is 8. Okay. And hold on, there are 14. Hold on. Yeah, well done. 8. Okay, well done. And what about your mean score?
$7.6.
Okay, 3 significant 7.64. Well done. Percentage of schools which got more than 8 How am I? How many schools got more than 8?
2.
Hey, you have 1, 9, 2, 9, 3, 9, 1, 10, you know. Can I see your dot diagram? Can you show me? Okay, then you look at your 9 is 3. Okay, very nice dot diagram, very nice. 9 is 3, 10 is 1. So altogether more than 8, you got 4. Right, okay. You got 4 out of how many schools?
14.
14. So 4 over 14 times 100. Are you okay? You will get answer. I give you the answer. 28.6 lah. 3 significant figures. Percent. Emma, your exam is on Wednesday, right? I think you showed me something on 28 or something.
Yeah.
So why not I give you, maybe we can stop here. Is it okay? Because we've gone through the whole paper. It's end of the paper actually. So what I'll do is tomorrow morning I'll send you a new scan paper. You do like this time you do the whole thing, okay? Then you send it to me. Even the drawing also you do also. You send it to me before our Tuesday lesson. I'm seeing you on Tuesday, right? Tuesday night. Let's say 7:45 to 9:15. Can? Because that's probably going to be the last session. I think your paper 2 is sometime else. But never mind, we cover both paper 1 and paper 2 or whatever we can. Is it okay? Okay. So I'll catch up with you. Today we take it as we end at 7:15. Okay, it means 1 hour 15 minutes. All right, then, Emma, you take care. Bye-bye. Well done, well done, well done. Well done today. I think you're going to be an excellent maths teacher. Okay, join me again.